my channel! Today, Winston and I are going to be doing a what is in my hospital bag video. Winston. So I am 35 weeks now.
Wow.
So I'm finally kind of in crunch time. I'm packing for the hospital. These bags are going to be going right into the car now that I'm finally, done packing them. There's still a few items I have to throw in like last minute, but this is the gist of what's going to be coming with us. Let's get into this. I will start with my stuff I'm bringing for me, and then we will get into the diaper bag that I've packed for the little mister. Ooh, so this is my ginormous tote bag that I'm going to be putting all of my stuff in. It took me forever to decide on what bag was going to actually fit my stuff in it. So this is the one I'm going with. And before I dig into this, I'm going to give some mention to things that are not in this bag but will be going in the bag. My clothes for coming home, which I'm actually going to, because it's a scheduled C-section, wear to the hospital, which is why it's not in the bag. So I'm just going to be wearing my black H&M maternity dress with probably my brown cardigan that I wear all the time. A nursing pillow, I will be bringing that with me. Mandatory. I feel like I need to, but I do not have a nursing pillow yet. It's next. It's going to be my next Amazon order. Also, my robe and one of my nightgowns are in the wash still and will be going in this bag as soon as that's done. It's going on right now. So those are not there, but I do have a jersey robe from Walmart, which is super comfortable, and you will see the other two nightgowns that are clean in here already. And then the last two things are my belly wrap. I do have a post-abdominal surgery belly wrap. I'll also be bringing my pink support belt because in the event that one doesn't, my post-op one doesn't fit. The back panel on my belly support band also will work just fine for surgery compression. And the last thing is my folder with all of my antenatal, postnatal paperwork. Again, that's in my purse because I have to, as a high-risk pregnancy, carry around these papers with me everywhere I go all the time. So those are permanently in my purse until I transfer everything into the hospital bag. Let's get into this monster. This wasn't going to fit in his diaper bag, but this is a baby item. This is his blankie. This is the one that I made him. I really wanted this for pictures and for him to snuggle with in the hospital because I made it. Oh, I do also have a pair of shower flip-flops, which are still in my gym bag, but I'm just going to Ziploc bag those and put those in here in a bit. I meant to put them in, but I forgot, and I'm not getting up again. Next up, I have my swig. I can pack this right now because I have so many of these tumblers. I literally just leave them around the house. This one in particular, because it will keep stuff cold for a very long time. This is the one that I want to have with me at the hospital. I also have this giant laundry bag, portable laundry bag, travel laundry bag. I don't know. It's big. It's for laundry. What else would it be for? Underwear. So these are all clean, brand new. I have not worn them yet. I literally bought them, washed them, and then put them in my bag. These are from Amazon. I got a pack of 5, and basically they're just really stretchy, high-waisted underwears. They were pretty affordable. I can link them down below. And they feel like they're going to be super comfy. I know there's some people that really swear by the mesh underwear at the hospital, but I have been unlucky enough to have to wear those before, and I know I hate them, and I know I'm going to hate them even more. I mean, maybe not for the first day that I'm going to be in recovery, but definitely by the next day when they have me up and walking around. I don't want to be fucking fidgeting with those goddamn underwears with the giant massive diaper pads, and I just don't want to deal with the hassle, you know? My nightgowns, I'm in love with these so much. I don't even I'm gonna wear them forever, which is why I wanted to buy them. They were an investment, they were not cheap, but I did get them on sale from Motherhood Maternity Canada, and I have 3 of them. One of them's in the wash, 2 are right here. So these are the most comfortable nightgowns ever, and they are nursing nightgowns. I know I've mentioned that I don't plan on nursing, but the ones that weren't nursing nightgowns that were like this didn't have the same kind of boob support, and I am going to want to use breast pads when my milk comes in because I don't want to be gross all over the place, and these will hold the cups on, and then I don't have to wear a nursing bra or a sleeping bra to keep boobs in place while at the hospital or getting up to walk around. No biggie. But they're just so soft and very supportive in the boobs. I've been wearing them instead of wearing a sleeping bra. Some of you who have been to the hospital may disagree with these, especially if you've had a C-section. But my slippers for here are my outdoor slippers, like I wear them outside. So they're pretty gross. I don't want to pack them and bring them with me. I just want to leave them by the door here. I don't have like slip-on slippers. So I may need a bit of assistance getting these on and off. I don't really want to buy another pair of slippers. But I do have these moccasin slipper shoes. They're a little big, so I can easily slide my feet into them. Just if I'm swollen, I'll need a bit of assistance. But these are the slippers I'm going to be wearing to the hospital. I'll be wearing them home from the hospital, and I'll be wearing them at the hospital. And the last 2 things that are in my bag, I have my postpartum essentials. So in this little travel baggie, I literally just loaded it up with my own pads because, again, I do not like the hospital ones. Maybe for the first day, but by the next day I'm gonna want my own shit because that's just how I operate, and everyone says I won't care, but I can tell you right now, I will care. Always maxis. These are in a size 4. And then I also have the Nuke breast pads. These ones were the cheapest, not gonna lie. That was just, I was at the store, I saw them, they were on sale, so I got them. And then my toiletry bag, the bag everyone's been waiting for, because let's face it, this is still a beauty channel. So I'm using my BAAAG bag, the hollow rose gold one. In here, in no particular order, I'm just gonna pull shit out. A tiny Dove spray-on deodorant, brown CoverGirl Flourish mascara, and my Essence Make Me Brow in blonde. I didn't want to bring a lot of makeup with me because I will be lazy, but if I'm going to be there for 3 to 4 days, pictures will be taken. And trust me, again, you can say I won't care, but I will care because I am me. I have a tiny portable hair brush. I wanted a foldy one, but I couldn't find one anywhere. Not one that was sturdy enough to handle all of this going on up here. But this was $1 at Walmart. Then I have the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. These are the Honey Treasures ones. My fan, because I feel like this is just an essential. I have the Olay Quench Ultra Rich Body Lotion. Neutrogena All-in-One Makeup Removing Wipes. My Juviance Gel Cleanser. One Step Juniper Breeze Hand Sani. I know it's a hospital, there's hand sanitizer everywhere, but this one smells like berries and gin. My BB cream, in case I feel like I need it. Really, I'm bringing this more as a facial moisturizer than anything, so it's not really a makeup item, it's more of a skincare thing. And then I've just got a light CoverGirl concealer and a little brush to blend whatever in because I don't really wear foundation anyway. Super convenient for the hospital because then I can just touch up spots. Hanalei lip treatment in mauve, as well as a Lip Smackers watermelon, which I'm gonna put on right now because it's fucking delicious. I got toothpaste and a toothbrush, a Moringa shower gel from the Body Shop. Body Shop? That's what this one's from. And a coconut skin smoothing primer in case I need something a little more heavy duty then the BB cream to moisturize my face, as well as some tiny toothpicks and my compact mirror. The next thing that's kind of in between my stuff and the baby stuff is this. This is empty right now, but it is going to be the snack bag. I feel like this was big enough to hold enough snacks for a couple days for both of us. And then I've also just thrown in an extra phone charger down here. Okay, we're at the end. Let's look at baby stuff. So this is the diaper bag. I got the Pippy Bear backpack. I can link this down below. It had really, really good reviews on Amazon, and it was pretty affordable. I think it was only 30 bucks. Some of this stuff I realize I won't necessarily need at the hospital, but I did kind of throw it in here just because they're general diaper bag essentials. And then if we did need them, I wouldn't have to worry about it because they'd already be in there. The first thing I put in here is this announcement card. It was with the set of milestone cards I got at the baby shower, so it's these cards belong to, but it has all the baby stats, so, and it matches his blanket. So I'm gonna fill this in with a Sharpie at the hospital, so I have this and a Sharpie. In the pocket areas, I have 2 wet bags, which we're probably just gonna use the 1 laundry bag at the hospital, but I wanted to keep these permanently in the diaper bag, so they're just in there now anyway, as well as some packs of wipes, and I have a stack of newbie diapers. I've got some diaper changing stuff, so we have a little thing of Peniton cream, some Fluffs tissues, diaper doggy bags. I call them doggy bags because we have rolls of these for Winston. The Live Clean Baby diaper ointment and non-petroleum jelly. So those are the changing things we have that are just going to stay in the diaper bag regardless of where we are. Then I also have some Nuke Newbie Susses. So these ones, there's a little white one and a blue one, and they're just very cute, and they're oh so tiny, so they should fit in his tiny little newborn face. Winston, it's almost time. There is also the change pad in here that came with the diaper bag, nothing too exciting, and I have a little clip with more hand sani in here. For his going home outfit, I have this little knitted blue toque because it is going to be cold. And then this is the outfit that my boyfriend picked for his going home outfit, and it is a tiny little newbie onesie from Carter's with the monster, and it's got little monster feet. For what we brought for him to wear in the hospital, I realized we don't have to, but I want to. Little brown hat with little blue triangles on it, and that is going to go with all of his little sleep sacks. We have 4 of them, and these guys are just, he's gonna live in these in the hospital basically. Both packs are the same, so there's 2 of the beige with the elephant, and then 2 of the brown ones that say Mama and Dada on them. I'm bringing 2 swaddles, just the blue-gray ones that I got from Giant Tiger, and 3 receiving blankets, half because I just want to leave these in the bag, and also because I was watching somebody's birth vlog, I can't remember who, and I think it was Casey Holmes, I could be wrong. Anyways, whoever it was debating whether or not to bring several receiving blankets, and then they ended up being so happy that they did, and in fact ended up needing more. So maybe it wasn't Casey Holmes, I don't know, don't quote me on this. It was somebody, but I have 3 in there. I basically just took a pack and threw it in. And then the last thing I have is the car seat Canopy. I can't remember the brand, but I got this from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's very soft. High Cocoa. It's incredibly soft, and it's just gray with the little arrows. I'm only throwing this in the diaper bag now because the car seat is not set up, and it's just easier for me to put it in here, and then we won't forget it, because I feel like we're all just going to be absent-minded trying to pack ourselves up to go home from the hospital. So there's this, and that is everything that I am taking to the hospital with me, like I said, with the exception of my boyfriend's things. He can deal with that himself. Yeah, that's it. If you feel like I'm maybe underpacking and forgot some things, or overpacking and don't need to bring some things, let me know down in the comments. First time, potentially last time doing this, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing at the hospital. Yeah, give me your opinions down below. Comments, subscribe if you have not already. If you are subscribed, do not unsubscribe. I will know. Help. What am I talking about right now? Here's Owen Wilson. See you in the next one.
Wow.